Hey, how you doing? My name's Chris. Welcome to my shop. Today comes with a warning. Let me explain. I started listening to this podcast a while ago. There's been several episodes out. It's this reclaimed audio podcast. I gotta warn you. The guys that do this show, Tim Sway, Phil Pinsky, Bill Lutes, watch out. These guys get in your head. And I'm not happy about it. I'm really not happy about it. As some of you may or may not know, I'm in the process of trying to clean out my shop, get rid of the crap, open my shop up, give myself some more working space. And I've got a whole pile of junk over here that I simply want to take to the dump. But can I? No, I can't do it. You know why? Because those three guys, they get in your head. And they're making me... I have a conscience now. I didn't have a conscience before. I was happy being dumb. There's bliss in ignorance. Tim, Phil, Bill... I was going to be a blissful, happy little woodworker and get rid of all the crap and just throw it away out in the dump. But can I do that now? Oh, no, I can't do that now. No. Because if I did, I'd have Tim Sway over here poking me in the head. I'd have Bill Lutes over here going, yo. And Phil Pinsky would be jumping on my head. I don't know what to say. Let's go over here and take a look at the trash that can't be trash. And I have to make something useful out of. Really not happy about this. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. This is the stuff I was just going to throw away. Look at this crap. I've got boxes full of broken appliances. The boxes are just full of junk. These are empty boxes that I filled up with trash I don't really want, but I can't throw away now. More crap. Broken printer. An empty kerosene jug. Carpeting. Yeah, I know. I'll put wall-to-wall shag carpeting in my shop. That makes a lot of sense. A mirror, because I care about my appearance so much. Drywall. Oh, old paint. And the worst offender of all, MDF. I cannot explain to you how much I dislike MDF. It has its purposes. I know. I don't want to rag on the people who love MDF. Good for you. I hate the crap. I've got to make something or do something with this stuff. I can't throw it away anymore. And what's killing me is the only thing I can think of to do with any of this crap is with what I hate the most. Yeah. Let's go make something out of MDF and save the world. Okay. Just in case it wasn't painfully obvious that I was kidding, I was kidding. Tim Sway, Phil Pinsky, Bill Lutes, all three great guys. And Reclaimed Audio is a fantastic podcast. You guys should check it out. It's on SoundCloud. It's also on iTunes. And but one thing I wasn't kidding you about, those guys will get in your head. They make you think. And I want to say thank you for that, because I can tell you right now, gentlemen, that MDF was headed out to the dump. But obviously, I had a use out of it. And if I hadn't been listening to you guys, you wouldn't have been in my head as much as you are. And that stuff would have hit the dump. So thank you for that. So the rest of you, make sure you check out that podcast. If you haven't heard about it already, Reclaimed Audio. Once again, it's on SoundCloud, also on iTunes, and it's definitely worth a listen. So if you can, give it a shot, all right? All right, I'm done. And I'm out of here. And I still have some other stuff I got to figure out what to do with, but I'll get it done, guys. Don't worry about it. The rest of you, get out in your shops, make that first cut, and get something done. I'll talk to you later.